Okay, before the light change, Okay, this is the only 2018 Toyota Highlander with a matrix light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LED light, and it's a Toyota 2018 Highlander. So it has a sequential LED signal. I'm gonna put it on left signal. So it has a sequential left signal, and as well as I'm gonna put a hazardous sign, and you will see both signals at the same time. Sequential, and then okay, now to turn the headlight on. Those three will be on for the low beam. Is it a low beam or a high beam? Oh, I think it's a high beam. Okay, high beam, all 5 lights are on. Low beam, only the 3 lights will be on, and high beam will be, all 5 lights will be on. All the 5 lights will be on. So the next clip I'm going to show you during the nightfall. During the night time I will show. Okay, this is low beam, and this is high beam. Low beam, high beam. When you lock the car,